Hi everyone! Today, let's have a food trip to a very famous ramen restaurant also known as Ichiran Ramen here at Sakae, Nagoya, Japan. Automated na rin ang pag-order dito ng ramen. Just select your order and after you pay, ay may lalabas na papel ng mga orders nyo at yun yung ibibigay sa staff pag nakaupo na kayo. And there's more! Meron din silang Ichiran Ramen and other products like seasoning na binibenta. Meron ka din makikita nito sa mga ibang supermarkets. At papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part. Kailangan ding i-fill out itong order sheet kung anong gusto mong preference ng pagluto or pag-prepare ng ramen mo. Sinisigurado talaga nilang quality ang service na ibibigay nila kaya they make sure also na may enjoy mo yung pagkain ng Ichiran Ramen. Kaya maganda din mga ganito para talaga makater o masigurado yung gusto ng customer at kung ano yung prefer nilang pagkaluto. I tried Ichiran Ramen already but the one that you can buy to any supermarket, hindi mismo yung staff ang mag-prepare. Bigyan na rin natin ng review ito mamaya pag nandito na ang order natin. Kaya super excited na ako, can't wait no more. Pagkatapos ko ma-fill out ang order sheet ay binigay ko na sa staff at wait ko na lang ang order ko hanggang ma-serve ito. So ito yung system ng Ichiran Ramen Restaurant. Pagkatapos mong ma-fill out yung order sheet is kukunin ng staff at ibababa yung wooden curtain at maghihintay ka lang sa order mo. It's a completely non-verbal system. Tapos counter type yung restaurant. The restaurant is open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and if you want to order extra item, you can fill out the sheets on the side of the counter table. Ikaw mismo maglalagay ng tubig, ang galing lang kasi solo mo talaga, parang may privacy ka pag kumakain. Unang sinerve ang toppings like dried seaweed, sliced pork at kikurage mushrooms at ang main order natin na ramen at super polite din ng mga staffs kasi nagbow talaga sila. Japan lang malakas. We deserve to treat sometimes ourselves the best food in town. Thank you so much for serving my order at the moment of truth, amoy pa lang mukhang masarap na. Itong pula na ito is a spicy red sauce niya. Mild lang nilagay ko, baka di ko makaya ang sobrang anghang. Nilagay ko na rin ang lahat ng toppings at ayun na, let's eat po, itadakimasu. I'm sure mauubos ko to kasi di ako nag-rice. Dinamihan ko lang yung pork slice. Mouth-watering at very delicious in my eyes talaga to. This is it. Kain po tayo. Siyempre, soup muna unahin natin at nang mainitan ang ating tiyan. Soup wa yappari oishii desu ne. Ang sarap niya, grabe. Soup pa lang yan na. Itong soup, ang sarap niya i-partner sa kanin. Pagkatapos mong kumain ng ramen, ng Ichiran is, di ba, may iwan yung soup. Ang sarap nito. Promise. Malamang mapaparound to ka talaga sa pagkain ng kanin. So let's do a small facts about Ichiran Ramen. It is a Japanese ramen food service business specializing in tonkatsu ramen. The restaurant began in Fukuoka in 1960 as a ramen stall named Futaba Ramen or One Orchid in 1966. After 3 decades of serving ramen from a single location under the leadership of CEO Manabu Yoshitomi, it opened its first concept store in 1993, which became the blueprint for all future Ichiran Ramen shop locations. They also serve in Japan, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and United States. Ichiran Ramen consistently ranks highly in ramen chain popularity polls in Japan and globally. And we're lucky today kasi walang pila and alam ko kasi talaga pag Ichiran Ramen sobrang haba ng pila pag mga ganitong sikat na restaurant. That's why if your next trip is in Japan, you need to try Ichiran Ramen. Highly recommended and worth every penny. Ang masasabi ko ay masarap talaga pag ang mga professional or staff ang magluluto kaysa tayo mismo kasi gamay na nila talaga ang tamang lasa at sarap ng ramen. Tsaka sa ambience din ng lugar at yung preparation din ng ramen. Mouth-watering talaga. Yung impact tingin pa lang ay masarap na. Kaya try nyo na din po, recommended and very famous not just here in Japan but also they serve overseas. Grabe sa dami at napakasarap, pati soup, dami kong nahigop. For today's vlog ay uuwi tayong busog. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Sayonara!